Serves 2. Prep time 25 minutes. Masala Anda Bhurji, quick sautéed Indian spiced scrambled eggs, ready in 25 minutes for 2 people. Main ingredient: 4 large eggs, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 medium yellow onion, finely chopped, 1 medium tomato, finely chopped, 1 green chili, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Crack 4 large eggs into a medium bowl and beat lightly with 1/2 teaspoon salt until combined. Heat a heavy nonstick skillet over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Heat the oil for about 30 seconds until shimmering. Add 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds to the hot oil and let them sizzle for about 10 seconds. Add 1 medium chopped yellow onion to the skillet and sauté, stirring occasionally, for about 5 minutes until translucent. Add 1 teaspoon grated ginger and 2 cloves of garlic minced to the onions and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add 1 green chili chopped and 1 medium chopped tomato to the pan. Cook and stir for about 3 minutes until the tomato softens. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala into the pan. Stir and cook the spices with the mixture for about 30 seconds. Reduce the heat to medium-low and pour the beaten eggs into the pan. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 20 seconds so they begin to set at the edges. Gently scramble the eggs with a spatula, folding the cooked curds into the uncooked egg. Cook and stir for about 2 to 3 minutes until soft curds form but the eggs remain moist. Taste and adjust seasoning. Add a little more salt if needed and stir for about 10 seconds to combine changes. Turn off the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro. Mix for about 10 seconds so the cilantro wilts slightly from the residual heat. Transfer the masala scrambled eggs to a serving bowl and garnish with a little extra chopped cilantro. Serve hot and enjoy. This completes the recipe. If you enjoyed this Masala Anda Bhurji, like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more quick Indian recipes.